Your network is a sprawling web of connected assets, controllers, machines. You modernize by adding machine vision, autonomous vehicles, software controls. All this is at the very heart of production. And when your network is a critical lifeline, downtime isn't an inconvenience, it's a crisis. That changes today with Cisco AI Troubleshooting for Industrial Networks, your powerful virtual networking expert built directly for OT. It functions where complexity hits hardest, the factory floor. The agent maps your network and locates devices by familiar asset names, instantly. No more guessing. Just mention or click on a device to get insights. Need to know which port belongs to the control network? Just ask. The agent offers configuration visibility and can explain operational status. With always-on alerts and actionable guidance, the agent can catch an offline device or damaged cable the moment it happens. And it doesn't just alert you, it explains the cause in plain language and provides guidance on how to fix it. Empower your frontline teams to troubleshoot faster, maximize uptime, and simplify complexity with Cisco AI Troubleshooting for Industrial Networks.